Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel DAM Creations. My name is Amit, and in today's video we'll be doing an unboxing of a smart keyboard plus case. Now some of you would have also watched our unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Tab which was just uploaded a couple of days back. The link for the same is available in the description below. Now since it's a 10-inch tablet, it can also be used as a mini laptop. Right, so in order to do that, we thought of ordering a smart keyboard case. So this is both. It has a smart keyboard which works like a regular keyboard, and it also has a case along with it. This is compatible with Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1-inch display. Okay, so we bought this from Amazon. It took us about 3 to 4 days for it to be delivered. So let's do a quick unboxing of this and see how good it is. So there you will see it's very clearly written, smart keyboard case. You can use it like this in the picture. At the back, it mentions some product features and what all is there in the packaging. It is from a company called Pro Elite, and the address here is of New Delhi. The MRP is around 5,000 rupees. We got it at 2,000 rupees. Now, it doesn't have a lot of features as such. It's a simple magnetic removable keyboard and the cover, and it of course has the back and the rear camera holes as well. Okay, inside the box they've got a USB charging cable, which basically means that you can charge the keyboard using the cable, micro USB cable, and it has got the keyboard as well and the case, right? Some other details here. Charging time is roughly around 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Standby time is about 30 days, which is good. Once you charge, you can use it. If the standby time is 30 days, let's say it should last for about good 15 days of daily usage, and works with a distance of 10 meters. Okay, so you can keep the tablet anywhere you want, and within the radius of 10 meters, you can use the keyboard. Right. So let's do the unboxing now. Alright, so this is the USB charging cable. Okay, so the first thing is this is the user guide, how to use the keyboard. We'll look at this a little later. So this is the case. It's pretty sleek. It's lightweight. It's well built. It feels also good. The leather finish feels really good. Let's open. Some more covers. Right, so this is how it looks. So here is the keyboard, and this is where the tablet will go in. Right, so this can come out, so as you can see here. Right, this comes out. This has a magnetic cover. Right, so there you see full size keyboard. It's pretty light. Okay, it's pretty sleek as well. So let's do a quick physical overview. Okay, here you see the charging plug point. This is where you charge, right? This is an on-off button. You have on-off connect. If you want to connect with Bluetooth, just have to press it, and this is the keyboard. Feels good, right? Nothing at the back. Pretty sleek, lightweight, right? So let me set this up, put the tablet also in the cover, and see how it looks. Right, so we have set this up. That's where the tablet goes. Okay, you can place it in 3 different ways. This is the first one, right? This comes out completely, as we know. So this is one, this is the second, this is the third. The 3 ways in which you can keep the tablet. So let's keep it in the middle for now, and let's put this. Okay, this feels good. Right, there you go. Right, now let's open a Word document and see how the typing really feels. I've set this up already, so all that I have to do is switch it on. Okay, and it would have already got paired. There you see Bluetooth keyboard already paired. So let's open a Word document. and see how it looks. Right? Okay, I'll sign in a little later. Right, so if this is how it goes. Okay. Okay, it gets time to get used to, because you're not used to a compact size keyboard. So welcome to Dam Creations. My name is Amit. Okay, so it feels good. Let's use the backspace and delete. Let's open an Excel. It's pretty quick. Let's say all the names are here, email ID. Okay, it takes time to get used to a smaller size keyboard because you're not used to it. Right, mobile numbers, but it's good actually. It's pretty comfortable, it's pretty convenient, it is lightweight. So overall I would rate it a very good score of 4 out of 5, because because of the convenience of usage and the fact that you can do a lot of office work on the go itself. So a big thumbs up for the product, 4 out of 5, which is good. So that's it in this quick unboxing and a quick review. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dam Creations. See you in our next video. Thank you.